Hello guys! So right now, I am in front of Dubai Metro going to Dubai Airport. So itutur ko kayo sa Ibis Hotel or they called it Ibis Styles Dubai Airport Hotel. Just to give you a brief information, I am living in Abu Dhabi and kailangan kong mag-exit from Dubai Airport. So this is the hallway of Ibis Hotel and now I am looking for my room. There you go. So mag-isa nga lang pala ako na mag-check-in for today because may work yung asawa ko. Pag-enter mo ng room, may makikita ka agad na mini vault para sa mga important things na kailangan mong ilagay at mga drawers. Ito nga pala yung perspective ng room. So, meron akong TV, and then coffee and tea. Meron rin kettle pag kailangan mong mag-init ng tubig and free water. This is actually a standard room with king-size bed and makikita nyo sa side niya yung lavatory. Moving forward, sobrang sulit na ng room na to sa price niya. And here, pwede mo isampay yung clothes mo and the towels na magagamit mo. This is the shower area and I can say na medyo malaki siya compare sa mga ibang budget hotel. Sa kabilang side yung toilet niya, so it's actually good na magkahiwalay sila. The room is very clean and ang Ibis nga pala is a 3-star hotel. Since 11 PM na ako nakapag-check-in. So, it's good na nakapagdala ko ng cup noodles dahil ayoko nang lumabas mag-isa. Just for your information, nag-o-offer din ng Ibis ng hotel to airport transfers for free from 7 AM. For those individuals na walang kamag-anak sa Dubai or wala kayong matutuluyan, pero ang flight nyo is the next day, early morning, I suggest na mag-check-in kayo sa Ibis Hotel dahil mas convenient and it's only 5 minutes drive to airport lang. For those individuals naman na nakapag-check-in na sa mga 4 stars, 5 star and above at hindi pa na-try ang Ibis Hotel, don't expect too much dahil ang Ibis Hotel doesn't have toiletries, sleeper, etc. This is my dinner for tonight and I bought it from Zoom for just 14 dirham. I made sure na hindi ako magugutom kaya paglabas ko ng metro station kanina, bumili na ako ng sandwich, ng juice, and ng cup noodles para hindi na ako lalabas. But actually, meron na akong baon from Abu Dhabi na rebisco, Spanish bread, and meron na din akong dalang boiled egg. Isa din to sa mga hack para makatipid ka and since mag-isa lang ako, I don't feel like going out. Kailangan ko ding matulog ng maaga since ang shuttle is 7 AM tomorrow. So, kailangan kong gumising ng 4 AM. At this moment, nandito na ako sa airport ng Bahrain and kailangan ko maghintay until my flight going back to Dubai. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Gulf Air is a flag carrier of Bahrain which was founded in 1950. And Bahrain is one of the 6 member states of the GCC. GCC countries includes Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait, Oman, Saudi, and United Arab Emirates. Hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.